Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can change template in Wings. So first up, open up your Wings website, then just have to make sure to sign in your account. Now here on your dashboard, all you need to do is click on the help button right there at the top. And here just need to go to the search box and type here switching your site template. And once you've done, you just have to press the enter key on your keyboard and you will find this article, switching your site template. And here, as you can see, while building your site, we understand that you might have a change of heart and want to switch to another template. While it's not possible to switch to a different template for a site you already created, you can create as many sites as you want in your account. So this means you can start over with a new template at any point. And here, as you can see, once you have chosen your new template, you can import elements, pages, and media from your old site and transfer your premium plan and domain to it. So here is step one. You just have to create a new website. So to do that, you just need to click on the three dots right there at the top right beside the edit site button. And from here, you can now click on the create new site right here. And then once you click on that, you will now go to this page. You can see you can now set up your new website and basically click on setup without AI. So I can manually set up my Wings website. So here you can answer all the questions here, pop up on your screen. And basically I just want to skip all of the questions. And here you can add to your website. For example, I just want to add online store, portfolio, or bookings. So just need to click on next. Now here on this page, you can basically select here. So I just want to select get a custom built site to basically use a templates right from here. So I just want to choose a template that I want. So I just want to skip this one. I don't want to add a logo from at this time. And here I just want to click on fresh. And then here, basically preparing your homepage designs. So we're creating personalized options for you. So basically you can choose here any of the design that you want. So basically just want to choose this at the middle. So from here, so we just want to click on next. Now on the next page, as you can see, you can now basically add pages to your site. So I just want to just skip this one. Now here you are now on your Wings website editor. So basically we're now going to the second step. As you can see here, copy elements and pages from your old site. So to make the process much easier when starting again with a new template, you can copy and paste elements and pages from your old site or save and reuse design assets depending on which editor you are using. So we can actually copy and paste some elements and pages from your old sites into your new website. So to do that, as you can see, I have my old website here and then my new website. So to copy the elements or pages, all you need to do is go to your old website from here and select a page or element that you want to copy. For example, this one. So right click, and then once you right click, so just click on copy and then go back or go to your new website here. And then you just have to right click and just click on paste and apply site theme. And basically once you click on that, you will now see your elements right here from your old website. Now if I'm going to zoom into 100%, so basically I can now move this element anywhere in this page. Now if I want to copy a page from my old website, so basically I will just go back to my old website here. And if I want to copy this whole page, so just click on copy right there. And then basically right click again. So from here, right click and then go to click on this paste. So as you can see now, the page is now added to your new website. So yeah, that's how you basically copying some elements and pages to your new website. Now going back to the help center. So from here, and we will just look for the step 3. As you can see, import media from your old site. So all the media from your existing site is saved under site files in your media manager. Site files folders can be accessed from the media manager from all the sites in your account. So if you want to add any file from your existing site to your website, you just need to do it right here. Click on the media right there at the left side of your screen, and here you will see all the saved media or photos or videos from your old website. Then you can add that to your new website. And then we just need to look back to the next step. As you can see on step 4, transfer additional features. When starting over with a new template, it's important to note that there are some features that you can transfer over to the new site and some that you can't. Now, if you want to transfer your domain, as you can see, transfer your premium plan domain. Once your new site is ready, you can transfer your premium plan and domain from your old site to your new one. So this ensures that your site will be fully functioning and live on the internet with your unique domain name, just as it used to be. So the process takes just a couple of minutes. So basically you just need to look at this picture, and then you will find this domain actions right there. If you click on the 3 dots, then you will find a button which says assign to a different website. So that's steps on how you can change your template on Wix website. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.